bitters. It was their sacrifice. That's why we're here. We have everything, but they had to share a meal. Yes, they walked miles to get to school, but that's not to allow us to do drool. Yes, accessibility is easy, but that doesn't make it cool. Don't roll your eyes because this is real. You know it's facts. So for now, be an open ear. Education, the form of knowledge, which gives us information. We're in a position to be amiss, maybe because we have it all, so we choose to dismiss. Fighting on the front line for me since I was 9. Battle first gen can relate. You know the guilt of coming home late. Not even the guilt, but the fear that creates love and hate. But that's not the case. It's lack of communication that leaves you in a different space. Can you be blamed though, balancing compliance conformity with your true identity? I understand you're a minority, but confining your ability is not the moves, especially in this society. We're here with this opportunity they bring back home, amazing resources. We're not alone. Alone? That's a big one, because sometimes that's how we feel, misunderstood with the two cultures, not knowing which one is ideal. So code switching comes in clutch until we can't switch it, then we're judged. It's not a matter of having it all. If nothing goes back to love, then there will always be a wall. Support is what we need. Asking if we're okay is okay. Don't let us cry and plead. But we're here in a country that provides free education, which makes us hungry to reach higher. Use the hunger to be brighter. Hoping to give back to my parents and be their provider. But we can't get there unless we make learning our priority. Not putting value on it, but valuing our education is worth more than anything. It is to be earned and not bought. So you must have a deep thought next time you are taught. Our education is sacred. Our education is priceless. So this is the message I want to leave. Our education means honor. It means that we